Today, I am reviewing the Lenovo ThinkCentre M70q. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. When space is at an absolute premium, but your workload demands uncompromised enterprise-grade reliability, the mini PC market is filled with choices. While many consumers default to cheap, unbranded mini computers or oversized desktop towers, the business world has long relied on a specific gold standard. After putting the Lenovo ThinkCentre M70q Gen 4 tiny mini desktop through its paces in a demanding office environment, I can confidently tell you that this 1-liter micro powerhouse proves exactly why Lenovo dominates the enterprise space. It is a masterclass in space-saving engineering, reliability, and modular utility that makes it perfect for front desk deployments, home offices, and data-heavy environments. The physical design of this machine is the first thing that leaves an impression. Lenovo calls this a tiny form factor, and they mean it. It takes up a volume of just 1 liter, weighing less than 3 pounds, and measuring roughly 7 inches by 7 inches. You can easily mount it behind a monitor using a standard Visa mount, strap it under a desk, or let it sit flat on a small corner shelf. It completely disappears into your workspace. But do not let the microscopic footprint fool you. The build quality is exceptionally rugged. It has undergone rigorous military-grade durability testing, meaning the chassis is built to handle dust, vibration, and continuous operational stress without breaking a sweat. Lenovo even designed it with a toolless entry system, so if you ever need to slide the case open to upgrade components or clean out the dust shield, you can do so in seconds without hunting for a screwdriver. Performance is where the M70q Gen 4 truly outclasses the competition. It is powered by the Intel Core i5-13400T processor, which features 10 cores and 16 threads. The T-Series designation means it is specifically optimized for low power consumption and thermal efficiency, but it still manages a blistering max turbo frequency of up to 4.4 GHz. In day-to-day operations, this hardware architecture translates to instantaneous responsiveness. Whether you are running complex data macro spreadsheets, managing a fleet of remote terminal tabs, or compiling code, the system handles it with absolute ease. Because it balances 6 performance cores with 4 efficiency cores, it intelligently routes background administrative tasks away from your active projects, ensuring zero system stuttering even during intense multitasking sessions. To support this capable processing core, Lenovo has equipped this model with 16 GB of cutting-edge, high-speed DDR5 memory, paired with a 512 GB PCIe NVMe solid-state drive. The move to DDR5 is a massive upgrade over older generations, offering vastly superior bandwidth that helps the processor access data significantly faster. The solid-state drive provides exceptional read and write speeds, allowing Windows 11 Pro to boot up almost instantly and launching massive corporate programs without any agonizing lag. Furthermore, the internal layout is incredibly future-proof. It accommodates up to 64 GB of memory and supports dual storage expansion, meaning you can easily scale up your hardware as your professional demands evolve over the years. Connectivity is another area where Lenovo completely refuses to compromise, despite the tiny physical constraints of the chassis. The front panel features a high-speed USB Type-C port alongside dual USB Type-A Gen 2 ports, giving you instant, high-speed access for flash drives and fast-charging peripherals. The back panel is equally robust, offering multiple USB ports, a full gigabit Ethernet jack, a DisplayPort, and an HDMI port. This allows the mini PC to natively drive multiple independent monitors simultaneously, creating an ultra-productive multi-screen workspace. Without requiring any external docking stations. Wireless performance is flawlessly handled by a built-in Wi-Fi 6 card and Bluetooth, keeping your internet speeds lightning fast and your wireless peripherals perfectly synced, even in a crowded office network environment. Finally, shipping with Windows 11 Pro adds massive value for professional and academic users. It grants access to top-tier enterprise security features like BitLocker device encryption, advanced data protection, and seamless remote desktop management out of the box. Lenovo also includes their proprietary ThinkShield security suite, featuring a discrete Trusted Platform Module 2.0 chip that secures your encryption keys and protects the system at a hardware level. Ultimately, the Lenovo ThinkCentre M70q Gen 4 is an incredible engineering achievement. It packs the punch of a full-size business tower into a box the size of a paperback book. If you're looking for an ultra-reliable, highly secure, and incredibly compact desktop that will seamlessly power through your heaviest daily workloads for years to come, this mini PC is an investment that delivers exceptional returns.